Resist the clips.
Bartending in the back garden with Blake. And here are the judges. Today's judges are Jinxie, Christopherson Klaus II, and Rico Flame. Welcome to Bartending in the Back Garden with Blake. This is Blake. Say hello. And today, Blake will be playing a game called Rolling with the Punches. You will have 2 minutes to make this incredible Halloween cocktail by randomly choosing the steps that are written on pieces of paper in this bowl. In today's show, Blake will have to incorporate a mystery ingredient into his drink. Let's see if Blake can roll with the punches. Your time starts now. Ooh, early time for a twist. Add ice and shake 14 times. Well, he's going right for it. That is not very sanitary. Interesting shaking method. The judges think so too. Whoa, what a twist. Incorporate mystery item. What a maneuver. Well played, Blake. Well played. Add all ingredients into a mixing glass, except the apple cider. That caught Jinxie's attention. And now here comes the booze. That seemed a little short. And here comes the pumpkin. Jinxie did not like that. The piece of paper says, add garnish and straw. So early in the game to be adding a garnish and straw. There goes the straw, and there goes the cinnamon stick. Strain into rocks glass, add ice, top with the apple cider. Okay, Blake, time's running out. Ooh, ice, ice, baby. Dum 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 dum. And what does that final piece of paper say, Blake? Great cinnamon stick. And that's it. Rolling with the Punches with Blake has finally ended. Now you can make your Halloween punch. Thank you for joining us, and please, whatever you do, don't drink this alone.